You dah buat the boring parts of vision board? Congrats, you're getting it. You don't know what this is yet? Please click here and then tengok my previous video. Gitu! Now we're going to the aesthetic parts, which is the fun part. By 2026, I want it to be a lot about my home sebab I nak masuk rumah sewa baru and I want to make the space very, very intentional. So that's why my Pinterest sekarang ni ada banyak color palettes, ada banyak home things. Okay, so Pinterest ni, once you dah letak dekat dalam you punya board ataupun you punya collections lah. Dekat sini, I letak house interior. Your goals may be different. So, contohnya, if you want a scholarship, you find pictures that look exactly like you. If you have dark hair, you find pictures that look like dark hair. Because the idea is, your brain has to believe and look like macam, oh, that could be you. Tu nampak macam kau, tu boleh jadi kau. Doesn't make sense for you to have a blonde girl in your vision board because you're not blonde. It looks like somebody else is getting that dream. So your brain macam, oh, that's too far for me. Faham tak? Kalau kau nak pergi Harbin, kau bukannya ambil gambar orang yang ada dekat Harbin. Kau buat macam mata kau tengah nampak view Harbin tu daripada mata kau. Tu macam I punya planning. Macam first person POV lah. Macam kalau I nampak rumah I, this is what my house is going to look like. So once you have this is the fun part. For you to do your vision board, first you tekan kat bawah ni. Okay, lepas tu you tekan collage. For me, you boleh je buat dekat Canva. Tapi you kena copy lah, lepas tu you kena paste lah, apalah. So I usually just buat dekat Pinterest because I like to save time. We need to do things yang macam low effort tapi high impact. Daripada high effort tapi low impact. Faham tak? Let's think like that, ladies. Let's think like that. So once you have clicked the collage, adalah dekat sini you boleh pergi dekat your board. Selepas tu you boleh tekan lah you punya interior tu. Lepas tu you boleh select any of the pictures that you like. Lepas tu you boleh tekan add sahaja macam tu. And then you boleh susun-susun macam ni. So one thing that you need to know is, kalau dekat Pinterest punya collage ni, usually dia punya size tu adalah lagi besar daripada wallpaper lah. So you need to adjust sikit. So tu je lah limitation yang ada kalau you nak buat vision board dekat Pinterest ni. Tapi for me, is the fastest way for you to get this done. Especially if you're a busy woman. As you go, you boleh tekan add lagi. Lepas tu you boleh tambah lagi. And then dia akan macam highlight. You boleh tekan add. Lepas tu you boleh arrange je lah macam tu. After you've done all that, this is what my 2025 vision board looked like. And it's interesting actually. So if you want me to go through this, let me know. I letak macam deadline. So dekat atas tu you nampak 50 kg by nikah. Next, once you have all of this, now you need proper planning to do your stuff and to make sure that you get your goals in your vision board. Do you know how I do that pula? Let me know it. Let me know. Bye.